Well, this is really not a microphone. I mean, it's a microphone, but it's not plugged into anything. It's not wireless. But it is sort of what we're going to talk about today on Streaming Idiots, is that, well, it's not about microphones at all. It's about music. It's about songs. It's about custom songs for you based on whatever you determine. I mean, yeah, this has been out there for a while, but you know me, I'm an idiot. I'm just now discovering the importance of some of these things. And so, if you're watching this either live or recorded, generally what would come after this would be, 5 or 10 minutes of, a thumbnail with some background music to it that I purchased the rights to years and years ago. But listen to the music that comes up next when we do this. So yeah, I'll be right back in just a minute.
We're feeling so fine. A vMix on the screen. We're ready to play. A custom built PCs taking tech to the fray. Making live production feel like a breeze. Got the rhythm pumping, we do it with ease. From setups to transitions, we're flying high. In the world of streaming, we're touching the sky. Streaming idiots, we're living the dream. With tech support in the mix, we're a winning team. Tom Sinclair's a man, bringing us live in our biggest adventure. The future is bright. Lights, camera, action, the stage is set. From podcasts to webinars, we're never upset. Tech at our fingertips, the power so real. Loading up the content, let the viewers feel. Building connections, we're breaking the mold. Every frame a story, every tale told. In this vibrant world, we're living with flair. Streaming idiots unite, let's take it from here. Streaming idiots, streaming idiots. We're living the dream, you're living the dream. We take support in the mix. Oh, we're a winning team. Tom Sinclair's a man, bringing us live in our biggest adventure. The future is bright. We got tips and tricks all wrapped in a show. And our extra fun, let the good times flow. From sports to the arts, we're taking the lead. With vMix by our side, there's nothing we need. Troubleshooting smoothly, no hassle or fuss. In the world of tech, we're igniting the buzz. Streaming idiots, we're living the dream. With support in the mix, we're a winning team. Tom Sinclair's a man, bringing us live in our biggest adventure. The future is bright. So here's to the journey. Let's raise a toast for Tom Sinclair and the team we love most. Streaming idiots, forever we're ruling the scene. With vMix and support, here living the dream. We're the streaming idiots, having the time. With Tom Sinclair guiding, we're feeling so fine. A vMix on the screen, we're ready to play. A custom built PCs taking tech to the fray. Making live production feel like a breeze. Got the rhythm pumping, we do it with ease. From setups to transitions, we're flying high. In the world of streaming, we're touching the sky. Streaming idiots, we're living the dream. With tech support in the mix, we're a winning team. Tom Sinclair's a man, bringing us live in our biggest adventure. The future is bright. Lights, camera, action, the stage is set. From podcasts to webinars, we're never upset. Tech at our fingertips, the power so real. Loading up the content, let the viewers feel. Building connections, we're breaking the mold. Every frame a story, every tale told. In this vibrant world, we're living with flair. Streaming idiots unite, let's take it from here. Streaming idiots, we're living the dream, you're living the dream. We take support in the mix. Oh, we're a winning team. Tom Sinclair's a man, bringing us live in our biggest adventure. The future is bright. We got tips and tricks all wrapped in a show. And our extra fun, let the good good times flow. From sports to the arts, we're taking the lead. With vMix by our side, there's nothing we need. Troubleshooting smoothly, no hassle or fuss. In the world of tech, we're igniting the buzz. Streaming idiots, we're living the dream. It's supporting the mix. We're a winning team.
Okay, welcome. Really excited about today's show. Really excited about that little tune. Isn't that something? I mean, it's amazing. It's amazing now. It's amazing. I'm just amazed. We're going to have some fun with that today, though. I can't wait. So, yes, Jesper, I am good. Thank you very much. And Gunner, glad you're here. And anybody else that might be joining us on various, well, we're only streaming to Facebook today, so I would say various channels, but there aren't really various channels. But if you've wanted to know about AI music, AI songs, custom written for you, we're going to delve into that a little bit today, and I think it's going to be fun. I think it's really. I had fun. I had a ton of fun with it yesterday when I was playing with it, and it was really fun. I got home last night and pulled up Sandy's laptop and did a quick song for her, about how much I loved her and how beautiful she was and all that stuff, and started playing it. She's like, "What is this?" So yeah, it was fun. It's fun. And I just did, the free part. The one we're going to talk about today is called Songer, and it allows you to do a 3 or 4 minute song, but it'll just sort of tempt you with the first 60 seconds of it. So we'll play with that some. I think it'll be fun. You never know. You never know about these things. At least I never know about these things. Yeah. So how about just another little part of that? Here we go.
We're the streaming idiots, having the time. With Tom Sinclair guiding, we're feeling so fine. A vMix on the screen, we're ready to play. A custom built PCs, taking tech to the fray. Making live production feel like a breeze. Got the rhythm pumping, we do it with ease. From setups to transitions, we're flying high. In the world of streaming, we're touching the sky. Streaming idiots, we're living the dream. With tech support in the mix, we're a winning team. Tom Sinclair's a man, bringing us live in our VS adventure. The future is bright. Lights, camera, action, the stage is set. From podcasts to webinars, we're never upset. Tech at our fingertips.
But, when does it really go the way you plan? I mean, how are you supposed to know? I had the volume turned down on the intro, so my apologies on that. At least I think I had the volume turned down. Well, maybe not. Who knows? I mean, really, not me. No, just teasing. Been playing with a lot of stuff today, so I wasn't quite sure where I left everything. It's like, sometimes I'll come in here into the studio in the morning, and I've got 3 PCs I'm working on building. And it's like, okay, where did I leave off on a hint? I'll have a wire flopping out, or I'll have, one time I took a Post-it note with an arrow and put it in there, said, pay attention to that part right there. And yeah, it's good stuff. So the song thing is a lot of fun. I've had a ton of fun with it so far. And I wanted to, you've already heard that part. And I think I can play it. Can I play it just in the background? No, we don't want to do that. But I want to show you the songer part. And let's see, can we reset this? Yeah, we'll make a new song. Okay, so this is Songer. And am I catching it right? Am I getting it right? Let's see. No, that doesn't look right. Hold on a second. Somehow my desktop capture is not capturing. So let's try this. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Okay, this is Songer. And it's songer.co. Songer.co. So yeah, hold on a second. Let me put myself in the screen. I should know to do this. Yeah, there we go. So now let's do this and crop it a little bit. There we go. Kind of right on live. I'll make it a little smaller. There we go. Put me down in the corner. Okay, so now you can see Songer. This is really cool stuff. So it's Songer. Well, you can't see the URL bar, but it's Songer, S-O-N-G-E-R, Songer.co, not Songer.com, Songer.co. So we can create a song in under 60 seconds. The good news about this is it's really inexpensive. We can play with it for free. I think you can play with it for free as long as you want. I bought 5 finished songs for $19.95. So with tax, it was over 20 bucks, but it wasn't that expensive. And so I've used one of the songs, which is the one you just heard. So let's make one, shall we? And so we can put here in this blank right here, we can put words. Now that's not a word, so we need to do this. So if we're going to make a song about something, let's make a song about, let's make a song about T-O-M-M-Y. Oops, let's do it right. T-O-M-M-Y. And Giles and me and Gunner and Jesper. Who else is here? Let's see. Who else have we got here that's in the chat? If you're here, let us know so we can get you in on this. We can always add you to it. Okay, let's see. So let's go back there and let's say having fun together as friends. Okay, we good with that so far? So here we get to think of what kind of music we want. We got pop, acoustic, melodic. I mean, they're just tons and tons of different styles. But let's just start out with something pop, because that'll be kind of fun. We can pick several of these, but let's just pick one pop one, and it'll give us 2. We'll go ahead and create a song here, and it's going to take a minute. So we can pick 2. Excuse me, we can pick 5 different types, but it'll give us 2. I don't know why you can pick 5. Maybe it like combines different styles together. I'm not sure on that. So we're just going to pick one. We're just going to pick the one, and it will come up with one set of lyrics, but 2 variations of the song. So that's pretty cool. And I've got the, let's see, I think I've got the audio on. Or yeah. Okay, so let's go back here. And we are here, and we can view the details, which will tell us that it's going to be pop. And here it is. Here's the song. Here's the text of the song right there. So let's go back, and let's just play the first variation of it.
Tommy and Giles, laughter fills the air, running down the street without a single care. Gunner's got the tunes blasting all the way. Jasper's in the front, let's seize the day. Late night adventures, under the stars we roam. In the warmth of friendship, we've all found a home. Making memories with every single laugh. Together we're unstoppable, let's carve our own path. Oh, Tommy, Gals, Gunner, Jasper too. The bond we share is ever so true. Tommy and Giles, laughter fills the air, running down the street without a single care. Gunner's got the tunes, blasting all the way. Jasper's in the front, let's seize the day. Late night adventures. Yeah.
But well, let's go back to that. Let's go back to that screen. We'll go back to that screen. So here are the details of that one. Here are our keywords. For some reason, it left me out. But there are the lyrics all the way through to the very end. But in order to hear it to the very end, you have to buy it. And it's, let's see, how long is it? Let's see, let's go back here. Okay, yeah, it's 3 minutes and 30 seconds. This one's 3 minutes and 23 seconds. And we can create as many of these previews as we like. How cool is this? How cool is this? So let's do another one here. See if anybody else has joined the chat. We can add them to the list. Yeah. Tommy's question is, how long can the song last? And the AI just determines how long the song's going to last. And my guess is, no, I put in lots of words with some of the others, and it didn't make the song any longer. It just meant that whatever my words, my themes, or my thoughts weren't repeated as often. But let's do another one. Let's make another song. And we're going to talk about, let's talk about our favorite software. And we're going to call it vMix, because it had trouble with the V all by itself. So we got vMix, we've got live streaming, we've got show, and it'll take a minute. And let's see. I'm reading through the chat right here. All right, let's go back and see where we are on this song. We're getting close. We're getting close. The beauty of it is, if you are doing live streaming either on behalf of somebody else or yourself as a professional, you can really customize something for your client. Okay, we've got two versions here. We'll see what the music is. In a world where stories come alive, we gather around and let the magic thrive. With vMix shining bright in every stream, creating moments, turning dreams into the theme. Okay, well, let's listen to it. This one is, well, we don't know how long it is. But let's do the first one.
In a world where stories come alive, we gather around, let the magic thrive. With vMix shining bright in every stream, creating moments, turning dreams into the theme. The lights are low and the stage is set. when nothing stands still. We're cranking up the volume, feeling the thrill. Lights flashing bright, cameras rolling in, with vMix on the stage, yeah, let the magic begin.
You never know. Okay. And I was muted. And I'm back now. Yeah. I don't know how I got muted. I turned myself off. That's how I got muted. What happened to that no audio alarm you used? Well, yeah. I didn't, maybe it didn't alarm, or maybe I didn't see it. Don't know. The music is okay. And I'm back. There you go. I'm back because I came back to this screen, and this screen turns my audio on automatically in case I forgot to turn it off. All right, let's see how we're doing on our song. Do we have our song yet? Yes, we do. Okay, so let's go back here, and let's see what we got. We've got 2,065 words. When the lights come on, the magic begins. vMix rolling in, ready to spin. Let's try that. Let's go with this.
When the lights come on, the magic begins. vMix rolling in, ready to spin. Live streaming dreams, shining bright. We're connecting the world, bringing joy tonight. Show production magic, every frame in line. From your living room stage to the grand design. Broadcasting our voices, hearts open wide. With vMix we're soaring, let's enjoy the ride. So shine with vMix, let the laughter flow. Together we create, let our spirits glow. In every pixel, in every song, with vMix by our side, where we all belong. Lights, camera. When the lights come on, the magic begins. vMix rolling in, ready to spin. Live streaming dreams, shining bright. We're connecting the world, bringing joy tonight. Show production magic, every frame in line. From your living room stage to the grand design. Broadcasting our voice.
Well, we need to work some more on that one. But I think that's the beauty of this, the samples, is that you can really dial in the sound that you want, and you can really kind of help the AI tweak the lyrics by adding as much detail to this portion. So if we're going to reuse the request, and we might add something in here. Let's see, vMix, live streaming, show production, broadcasting. Let's put in streaming idiots. And if we correct our spelling, does that help? Probably doesn't help. Let's go away from uplifting, and we'll try something else. Let's try electric. That's going to be pretty weird. Where's electric? Right there. Electronic, sorry. All right, so let's create a song. And away it goes. And we will get there. We will get there. And let's see, where is it? Yeah, there we go, right there. So this is Songer. And I redid here at the Streaming Idiot Studio. I redid this guy right here. Can you see him right there? Yep. That little thumbnail. I put the Streaming Idiot song with it, so that was cool. All right, so let's try a variation of this. Variation number 1.
Lights flashing bright, we're ready to stream in the digital spotlight. It's all part of the dream. vMix on the rise, turning up the sound. Live streaming magic, where the beats resound. Show production in full swing, feel the energy flow. Captivating visuals, putting on a show. Broadcasting live, we're breaking the mold in the cyberspace. Stories unfold. vMix, let the vibes ignite. Streaming with passion, we're taking flight.
So that's the first part. Let's try the second variation.
Lights flashing bright, we're ready to stream in the digital spotlight. It's all part of the dream. vMix on the rise, turning up the sound. Live streaming magic, where the beats resound. Show production in full swing, feel the energy flow. Captivating visuals, putting on a show. Broadcasting live, we're breaking the mold in the cyberspace. Stories unfold.
Yeah. So let's see. Have you guys got some, yeah, it did sound a little bit like Miami Vice. Let's try. All right, Tommy says, I wonder if you can create guitar solos with this program. Well, let's give it a try, Tommy, and see if you can. So let's go back to make a new song, and we're going to leave this blank here, and we're going to say acoustic. Would that be guitar? It said must contain at least 2 characters. All right. Well, what if we just type an A and another A? See what happens. Of course, acoustic doesn't necessarily mean guitar. We'll check and see if maybe there's an unplugged version that might have guitar only. But yeah. Yeah, I think I can just imagine you can have a ton of fun with it. And if we wanted to cheat, the fact that you are hearing this as I'm playing it means that I've added an input in vMix, and I'll show you what that is. Well, let me show you what that is first. So we'll go here, and let's just put me there for a second so you can see. And I'm going to come down here. Well, no, let's go down to add input, bottom left-hand corner, and I'm going to add an audio input, and I'm going to add, oh, here it is, application audio. And here I get to choose from any of the applications that are live that are Windows on my system. And one of them is Chrome, Personalized Songer, Google Chrome. So I'm not going to pick that one because I've already picked it down here. Number 86 is Audio Settings, Audio Chrome, Personalized Songer, Google Chrome. And it's just like any other audio input. And I've got it set for max volume. And so it will play the music. It will play the music. So let's go back to this capture. And we'll play our acoustic version that has 2 words, the letter A and another letter A.
On the road where the sun sets slow, we drive with memories, just me and you. The radio softly plays our favorite tune underneath the stars.
Well, it looks like we don't get a full acoustical. Even though we just put in the word A and another word A, it filled in the rest. So it's going to make a whole. Let's see, are there other options here? Let's go here and take a look. So it's how does Songer create a song based on my input? How long does it take to generate? Can I provide specific content for the song? Is there a limit to the song? Are the created songs completely original? Yes. Do you own the song? Yes. How much does it cost to make the song? Each song unlocks 1 credit. Okay, so I've got, I think I've got 4 credits left. Can I get a refund if I'm not happy? Yeah, well, none of those say can we get a an acoustic only version. So what if? Yeah, Giles says, I have an amazing range in my voice. Actually, I used to have good range when I sang a lot. What I want to do, and I tried to do yesterday, and it just didn't come out right. I wanted to have another version. I've got this one right here. Whoops, that's not right. I've got this.
We're the streaming idiots, having the time with Tom Sinclair guiding.
And I wanted to have kind of a goodbye version of that, So let's go to the post show and we'll work on a goodbye version together. How about that? Shall we do that? Let's do that. Oh, and then I have to probably. I want to change the music to the outro. That's what I want to do. Yeah, and I had the audio down for that, so my apologies. Okay, so let's go to the post-show scene. Where are we post-show? Here we are post-show. And Bill says that we could use a program that creates stems and then delete the vocal. We could do that. But this one is so cheap. I mean, it's like $20 and I get 5 songs, so that's $4 a song. So we can play around a lot for $4 a song. And it's, you know, we can create as many of them as we want just to sample them for free. So I was thinking we could do, where's my visual here? Here it is. I was thinking that we could come in and make a new one based on different words. So let's make a new one. And we're going to do things that say, this is the end of the show. So let's just say the end of the show. Hope you enjoyed it. Streaming Idiots show. See you next week. End of the show. Hope you enjoyed it. Streaming Idiot Show. See you next week. What are other ideas? What other ideas might you guys have? And Tommy Willis says in chat that he clicked on the link and it shows an instrumental is a pro feature. Yes, and I think the pro version is like $300 or something like that. I'm not sure if there's a limit to how many songs you get or what. But yeah. All right, so let's see. You guys are no help. Let's go back here and say end of the show. Hope you enjoyed it. Streaming Idiot Show. See you next week. Live streaming is a blast. Thanks, guys, because thanks, guys, is what I always put in the end of the chat. So let's give that one a try. Yeah, here we go. Custom lyrics, instrumental only. There we go. So we are going to say that we want this to be playful. I like playful. So let's try a playful song. See what we get. So we've got a minute there. And we could cool. Let us know how it goes. For sure. For sure. I don't know if it's really doing all that it says. I think it's just trying to make us feel good. But you never know. All right, just a few more seconds. It's trying to work all those words in. Like it's really going to be able to do it. Sometimes it takes a few more minutes. This page will automatically update and we'll email you when the clips are ready. Well, and maybe because we put in too many words. It's trying to figure out how to use all those words. And I think it may be a better idea to use words and not sentences. Maybe not even phrases. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. It was funny when I was playing with this yesterday. I would do it and then I'd go off and do something else while it was doing what it's doing now. And I'd come back and it was done. And then I'd do another one, come back and it'd have the same kind of delay. And when I got home last night, I was checking my email. I had like 6 or 7 emails telling me that my clips were ready. What I didn't check, and I'll have to try it again, is to check and see if in the email, if it gave me a link to the clip. So if I forgot it and kind of closed this window here, could I go back and get it again later? We'll have to see. Okay. Well, this is taking its sweet time. I mean, how sweet could it be? Still going. Still going. So what is the DJI-3 mic? That's a question. And we're done. Okay, let's check the details. Well, it's the end of the show. The lights are down low. We've had some laughs, and now it's time to go. Streaming Idiots, delight on display. Hope you enjoyed it. We had a fun day. For the very first laugh to the final goodbye, we share our moment. Oh my, oh my. All right, well, that has some promise. Let's give it a try. Let's do that again. Sorry about that. I clicked off this.
Well, it's the end of the show, the lights are down low. We've had some laughs and now it's time to go. Streaming Idiots Delight on display. Hope you enjoyed it, we had fun today. From the very first laugh to the final goodbye, we shared our moments, oh my, oh my. So thank you, it's been a blast. We'll keep the fun rolling, this won't be our last. See you next week, set your reminders. More craziness coming, we're joyful finders. Each week we gather with jokes and smiles, from techie mishaps to quirky styles. Every stream is mad. Well, it's the end of the show, the lights are down low. We've had some laughs and now it's time to...
That's not bad. Let's try the second variation.
Well, it's the end of the show, the lights are down low. We've had some laughs and now it's time to go. Streaming Idiots Delight on display. Hope you enjoyed it, we had fun today. From the very first laugh to the final goodbye, we shared our moments, oh my, oh my. So thank you, it's been a blast. We'll keep the fun rolling, this won't be our last. See you next week, set your reminders. More craziness coming, we're joyful finders. Each week we gather with jokes and smiles, from techie mishaps to quirky styles. Every stream is magic, a little surprise. More than just a show, it's all about the ties. We're a family here, part of your feed, chasing the giggles, fulfilling the need. So thank you, it's been a blast. We'll keep the fun rolling, this won't...
Okay, let's see which one we like best. Number one.
Well, it's the end of the show, the lights are down low. We've had some laughs and now it's time to go. Streaming Idiots. Well, it's the end of the show, the lights are down low. We've had some laughs and now it's time to go.
All right, vote now. Number one or number two? Number one or number two? Tim, anything that I create and purchase, I own the rights to. All right, we'll play them again just so everybody gets them. And yeah, let's do that. And then we'll take my mic off so you don't get it fed back through the system.
Well, it's the end of the show, the lights are down low. We've had some laughs and now it's time to go. Streaming Idiots Delight on display. Hope you enjoyed it, we had fun today. Well, it's the end of the show, the lights are down low. We've had some laughs and now it's time to go. Streaming Idiots Delight on display. Hope you enjoyed it, we had fun today.
Okay, let's see how the vote's coming. We'll go here, and we'll go here, and we got Otis is here. Hello, Otis. There's a 2. Bill likes number 1. Giles likes number 1. Jesper likes number 2. This may not help. Let's see. Tommy likes number 2. Gunnar likes number 2. Giles is hedging his bet. He thinks number 2 is good too. Tim likes number 1. Okay, so let's see. So how many votes we got? We got for number 1. Yes, I agree, Tommy. I agree. And you could do a custom song for each guest if you wanted to. All right, so we got 1 1, 2 1s, 3 1s, 4 1s. All right. And then 2s, we've got 1 2, 2 2s, 3 2s, 4 2s, 5 2s. So the 2s are winning unless somebody else has got a vote out there that you haven't processed yet. Is that it? That's okay. All right. So let's purchase number 2. So we're going to come back right here and we're going to unlock full song. And we are going to download it. Before we even hear the rest of it, all these stats are good because those are the defaults, and we have to pay to get different versions. That's okay. We just want to download it. It's going to go to my download subdirectory. So let's pull that up here. Downloads. And there's the show. Does that look like, is it finished downloading? Does it do download here? End of the show? Done? Yep, okay. So let's go back to the end of the show, and we'll go into, well, let's see. Let me show you this screen for a second. So this screen is my vMix desktop. And this is the capture. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to the music sounds folder. And I'm just going to drag, whoops, it's not dragging. Let's try again. We'll drag that into our vMix production. And there it is, the end of the show. All right. And so we want to go to, let's go to the post show. Yeah, we'll go to post show. And we've got, this is our thanks for watching right here. And so we want to do, what we want to do with that is we want to do a series of triggers. And I think I've already got them in here. We just need to, put them with this music, which is number 87. So let's come back here to number 52, and we'll go into triggers. And we just want to change all this to be number 87. It takes just a second. This is not particularly intuitive, vMix, but it is what it is. Edit and 87. And let me show you what I learned the other day. This was really pretty cool. I've got, all of these are my inputs. I've got 87 inputs today. And I can go to any one of them by typing a number. So if I want to go to the 40s, well, let me rephrase that. Let me pretend it's the main shot, and let's go here, and I want to go to the 4, and then 40s, and then 41. Each time I click the 4 key, it keeps taking me to the next 4. Except it didn't take me to 24. Let's see, let's try 7. Takes me to number 7, and then to the 70s. So that's one way to work, to move around a little faster there. All right, so we'll leave that there. We're not going to edit or save that. We've got what we want here. So when we run this right here, it should play the song. So let's try it, shall we? Here we go.
Well, it's the end of the show, the lights are down low. We've had some laughs and now it's time to go. Streaming idiots, delight on display. Hope you enjoyed it. We had fun today, from the very first laugh to the final goodbye. We shared our moments, oh my. So thank you, it's been a blast. We'll keep the fun rolling, this won't be our last. See you next week, set your reminders. More craziness coming, we're joyful finders.
The song is playing it, but I wasn't hearing it. Why wasn't I hearing it? I should have been hearing it. Hold on a second. Let's check this out. Let's go back here. And this is the, and it's still playing. Okay. Let's go into songs and yeah, let's stop it and restart it. which is what it should have done here. On transition in, audio off on my mic. Okay, that's right. Audio on the song. Set the volume to 100% and then play. And then on transition out, set volume fade and then restart. But we probably need to tell it to stop at some point. So let's go and add, instead of restart, let's do a pause. P-A-U-S-E. Pause. We'll add that one. And then we'll put it up above. Oops, that's not what I meant to do. Let's take pause and put it up again. Volume fade, okay. All right. And now, why couldn't I hear it? Oh, because it needs to be on the A channel. That's on me. Okay. All right, so let's try again. Here we go.
Well, it's the end of the show, the lights are down low. We've had some laughs and now it's time to go. Streaming idiots, delight on display. Hope you enjoyed it. We had fun today. From the very first laugh to the final goodbye, we shared our moments, oh my, oh my. So thank you, it's been a blast. We'll keep the fun rolling, this won't be our last. See you next week.
Got to remember to turn my mic up. That's a trigger. I can fix that. So yeah, that was fun. That was fun. Works great. Lyrics are easy to understand. I agree, and simple to operate. Really, really simple. Hey, Kenny, glad you're here. Yeah, I realized I run my studio audio that I want to hear into the TV that I'm watching as my confidence monitor. But I have to make sure my mic is off when I do that, or else I get an echo. And I just forgot to set that new song on that channel as well. So yeah, it's on a bus. You can hear it. I know you could hear it. Yeah. It's fun. It's fun. That's the idea, I think, behind some of this stuff. Is it's fun, and if you don't like it, I've wasted $4. But we are going to do that as we approach the end of this show. So yeah. So what time is it? Yeah, it's time for me to get on to other things. But as always, I love hanging out with you guys. So we have unlocked the full song. Let's see, let's bring that page back up here. And it is 2 minutes and 29 seconds long. And oh, I know one thing I want to do with this. Since I'm going to use it as sort of an outro song, I don't want it to repeat. So let's go here and see if I can find that song. And there it is right there. Okay, so there's my new Streaming Idiot song, and it's on repeat. This is the new end of show song, and it's not on repeat. And if I put it here in preview, we can see that it restarted because we told it in triggers to restart. Same as with the Streaming Idiot song. So it will always start at the beginning. Will always start at the beginning. So, yeah, there we go. Tommy, you say that every week. But thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Giles. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you and your clan. And Ed, I'm always delighted when you learn something. Anyway, let's go out with a bang and use our new exit song. And I got to find it here. I probably just need to have a shortcut for it. But yeah. Oh, and I won't see you next week, I don't think. Let me check the calendar here. No, I won't see you next week, but I will see you on the 31st as I do my annual prediction show for 2026. We're going to predict exactly what it's going to be. So stick around. So no show next week, but the show the week after that. And this is going to be the new post-show exit song. See you guys later.
Well, it's the end of the show, the lights are down low. We've had some laughs and now it's time to go. Streaming idiots, delight on display. Hope you enjoyed it. We had fun today. From the very first laugh to the final goodbye, we shared our moments, oh my, oh my. So thank you, it's been a blast. We'll keep the fun rolling, this won't be our last. See you next week, set your reminders. More craziness coming, we're joyful finders. Each week we gather with jokes and smiles, from techie mishaps to quirky styles. Every stream is magic, a little surprise. More than just a show, it's all about the ties. We're a family here, part of your feed, chasing the giggles, fulfilling the need. So thank you, it's been a blast. We'll keep the fun rolling, this won't be our last. See you next week, set your reminders. More craziness coming, we're joyful finders. So grab your popcorn and settle right in. With laughs on the screen, let the fun begin. From the couch or your bed, wherever you be, join us next time, come laugh with glee. We love your comments, your hearts and your cheers. Together we make memories that last through the years. So we wave goodbye, but don't shed a tear. We'll be back next week to bring you more cheer. In this digital age, we're all on a roll. Streaming idiots, it's more than a stroll. Just hit that like and don't you forget. Keep spreading the joy, the fun's not done yet. So thank you, it's been a blast. We'll keep the fun rolling, this won't be our last. See you next week, set your reminders. More craziness coming, we're joyful finders. So here's to the laughter, the joy that we share. With every single moment, we'll always be there. As the curtains close and the credits roll. Thanks, guys, for being part of our soul.